name's Kaylee, and together we are Budgies Taylor. So, today we are going to talk about how budgies clean and groom. Lots of budgies groom at a certain time. Maybe a lot of budgies groom at a time in the middle of the day. Like when people eat, they groom themselves to get ready for their eating time. A lot of budgies groom themselves to get all the dirty seeds that they may be fallen, or the dirty poop that when they poop. They poop a whole lot, so they might as well maybe just groom themselves for that. A lot of budgies groom themselves about lots of seconds. If you have two budgies, they might even cuddle or might groom each other. They groom on their heads, wings, like this. The white one over there, they're to their necks. Hold on, let's see. Let's see, they might get on the ground and they're really scared and stuff. They're not tamed, don't ask. Ow. So they usually groom on their heads, necks, wings, tail feathers, and butts. Don't ask, but they really do. And around their stomach. They usually groom everywhere where you see that is showing that the main part is their head and all their front feathers. Very interesting. Comment down below if you have a budgie and comment how they groom themselves. What areas do they usually groom themselves? What's the main part? Like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching Budgie Taylor. Our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Let's do another budgie video if this video gets if we get 10 subscribers at least, or what. Don't worry, I have none. It would be honored for us to be subscribed. Thank you, and thanks for watching.